Okay everyone, the resin is cured and it's time to demold. I'm going to do the bookmark first. As you see, it kind of overflowed a little bit. So what you do, hopefully I didn't wait too long. I'll clean it up later. And you can file it down, make it smoother. But I made this little charm to go on it with the beads that Cobeads sent me. I just used some of this stretchy cord and the beads that I like so much, and the little hats. So what we're going to do is, I can get it unraveled here. I'm going to put it through the back, open it up, you can do it different ways, but I'm just showing you one way how you can do it. You could also cut the end of it and add more charms or tie it even closer up, but that's how we did that one. Now we're going to demold the stars. I had this mold, but I needed more stars because I wanted to do the moon and stars. And I think and these new molds, they do come out really well, and they have the holes in them. It's so blurry out this morning, I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the best light. And that's the one with a hole in it, or rather the star inside. And the little one. And I call these dongers, but I made these, hopefully the wind will catch it. And this is the same. I decided on the same mix for the resin on all of it this time. I did make that one a little bit more glittery. So these are what the stars and the two dongers look like. And now we have the moon mold. So I'm going to put that by itself so everyone could see the moon. Let's see how it turned out. These are really good molds. And it's a nice thickness too. So that's the moon. Let's put it down on the paper. So the next time you see me, I am going to have this baby put together, and we're going to see what it looks like outside.